guys, kain tayong ice cream. Double Dutch flavor. Double Dutch flavor. Kain tayong ice cream. Yan. Ayan. One. Kain tayo guys, merienda. 2, 3. Okay. Okay na. Kain tayo guys. Very, very masarap to. Kain tayo.